I got Nintendo Switch, and the customer tried to change the micro SD card, but he said he damaged the connector on the motherboard. So let's open it and see the issue. Let's see the damage, but let's first open it. Oh yeah, it looks like not normal. As you can see, they have pin here is missing, so I will change all the ports. Alright, so let's try to fix this connector. This is the old part. The new port is installed, just let's try to clean it. Let's return all the parts back and take. Before return all the parts, so I will try to test it. Let's check. Yes, it's fixable. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.